Okay, welcome to Solving Logarithmic Equations. This is from your homework, page 520, number 24 through 38 all, and number 42. Let's start with number 24. We have a logarithmic equation. We have log base 5 of 5x plus 9 equals log base 5 of 6x. Well, when we have a logarithmic equation where there's logs on both sides and they're condensed on both sides of the same base, we can just simply drop the log. So in this case, we're going to just drop the log base 5 on both sides and set 5x plus 9 equal to 6x. And then I solve. I would subtract the 5x on both sides and get 9 equals x. So that one is pretty simple. When you have the logs condensed on both sides, they're the same base, just drop the logs. Let's take a look at a different one. Here's number 34. The directions say solve each equation and check for extraneous solutions. Extraneous solutions are solutions that don't work because, for example, in a log, you cannot have a log of a negative number. So something that you would plug in that would make this part negative would be an extraneous solution. So let's go ahead and solve number 34. In the front, I have this 1/3 power. So I can do one of two things. I can divide by 1/3 or replace it as a power. So I'm just going to go ahead and divide by 1/3, which is the same as multiplying by 3. So that'll give me log base 5 of 12x equals 6. Now that I have that, I want to figure out how to get rid of this log. Well, there's not a log on both sides. There's only a log on this side. So I'm going to use the fact that logarithms and exponentials are opposites or inverses, and I'm going to take this to the power. I'm going to reuse this base. This is a log base 5, so I'm going to take this so that it's 5 to the log base 5 of 12x power, and then on this side it's going to be 5 to the 6th power. When I do that, these cancel each other out, and I'm left with 12x equals 5 to the 6th power. Well, I can go ahead and calculate 5 to the 6th power on my calculator, and that is 12x equals, whoops, my x, 12x equals 15,625. I can then divide by 12, and I'll just leave that as a fraction. X equals 15,625 divided by 12. So when you don't have a log on both sides, you're going to take the base of the log and use that as a base and make this the new power. That'll cancel out the log. If you have any questions, please see me or Mr. Daniels, and have a great day.